Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have a trip to pack for. So we're going to Florida. This time we're flying. It's not new for me, but it is definitely something I'm not used to. Everything that I want to bring has to fit in this tiny baby luggage. Sorry, it's a carry-on. We're going for a week and I need to pack a week's worth of stuff. Okay, so I made a list that will tell me everything that I need to bring in that tiny little thing. Everything on this list has to fit in that, which is gonna be kind of hard for me. And driving in a car makes that much easier, you know, like bringing anything that I want, I'll just put it in the car. But now I have a big limit. So, you know, I made this list, which should help me keep that under control. Because I wrote this list, there is like 100% chance I'm forgetting something. So I always do that. Some of the clothes, actually like the majority of my clothes that I want to bring are currently drying, hang drying, or regularly drying. Okay, so first things first, daily clothes. The majority of my clothes that I want to bring are drying. It's in the dryer right now. Okay, maybe we can get a few outfits together. Look in my closet. Isn't it just beautiful? Wait, what am I doing? I don't think I want that. Okay, so we're doing this really isn't a good place to film. Right now I'm doing everyday clothes. So my new dress, you know, if you've seen my other video, it's like me trying on outfits. Yep, that one. I wore that one in that video, so yeah, I like that dress a lot. It's not really an everyday outfit, but it's more like a nice dinner thing. Okay, so then I have, oh yes, wait, I need these shorts. My aunt and uncle got me this for my birthday, so that's definitely something that I want to wear. And then it's all long sleeve, long sleeve, long sleeve. You might just come back to this, honestly. Actually, no, wait. This. I want to wear this. Okay. Okay, so moving along. PJs. PJs are fun. I like this. Let's do it. Is this a joke? I think all the PJs that I like are in the dryer too. God. Okay. I mean, to be fair, this is kind of my fault because I did let my laundry pile up and I could have been all done by this point. Oh my gosh. Okay, moving on. Alright, so we're already back to the list. Isn't this fun? We're being so productive right now. Okay, so the next thing on the list is underwear, but, you know, I'm not going to start the video off by packing underwear. Then the next thing is accessories, and what I mean by accessories is earrings. I struggle with earrings. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was my new eyeshadow palette. I think it's okay. Oh yeah, it's good. Okay, that could have been really bad. One time I went to the beach and I dropped my blush and like, what was it, highlighter? It was like a thing. It was this and I dropped it and it shattered. It was so sad, but I got a new one, so that's good. So yeah, what I'm talking about is like these, really cute, but my ears don't like them. So we're gonna have to go through and just pick a few. I think I'm only gonna pick like 2 or 3 pairs. So yeah. Okay, so I actually have decided. I found a few. So the Kate Spade ones I got for my birthday. The yellow ones, they're bright and they're cute. So I think those are a yes. Also, they match my purse. Wait, can I bring my purse? I think I should be able to bring my purse. I found, wait, what? Oh, there. These little danglies. Wait, there. Aren't they pretty? So, yes. But then, you know, I remembered that I have these danglies, and they're flip-flops, which is perfect for Florida. So you know what I'm thinking? I'll just put both pairs in this little baggie. Perfect. And then I'll just put it in with my toiletries, and then that should keep them nicely and hopefully prevent me from losing them. I finally checked something off my list. Are you proud of me? Yay. Oh, bathroom stuff, gifts. Yeah, gifts. I also have to somehow incorporate in this tiny little thing, but I think the gifts that we got, we kept that in mind, so it should be okay. You know what? Let's go check on the dryer. So we have a lot of time until my clothes are dry, but you know, in the meantime, I'll talk to you and possibly let you in on a little secret. It is part of the packing process, so you know, why not? So we're going out on Wednesday, which is a weekday, and my uncle is working. Wow. So we thought that it would be a good idea to disguise myself. His job is an auto body owner. He has a shop for cars. I don't know, he like fixes them. We're thinking we're gonna surprise him by disguising me. We're gonna go there and I'm gonna walk in my disguise, and hopefully, you know, he doesn't recognize me. That's the point of the disguise. Let me show you the outfit. It's good, trust me. I think you'll like it.
Mysterious, very mysterious. Mysterious, very mysterious. Mysterious, very mysterious.
Howdy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is it as of right now. I don't know, we might change some stuff. This isn't the hat that I'm gonna wear, but I'm gonna be wearing a hat. Oh my gosh, please don't judge my wig skills. I don't know how to put on a wig properly. Yeah, so everything other than the pants, these are not what I'm gonna be wearing. She's Southern. Yeah, so she'll talk real slow and drawn out. Yeah, I think I need to work on it a little bit. So what do you think? You think you'll recognize me? Okay, so I checked off spy outfit on my list. Although I'm not a spy, I'm just going undercover. So that's what that is. So that can be checked off. Okay, so basically the most important things I haven't done, I guess I'll come back to this. I don't know, what the heck. Yeah, so I'll be back when my clothes are ready. All my clothes are dried now. There are still a few that are hang drying, but those will take much longer, so I'll just add those in later. For now, I think I need to start organizing these. Okay, so I've finished organizing all of my clothing. I almost forgot bathing suits. Yeah, that was not on my list. There is like 100% chance I'm forgetting something. So I'll show you those really quick. Here is the one that I got for my birthday, my yellow bathing suit, and my newer yellow bathing suit. I think it's time to load it all in. So I just actually spent a ton of time putting together my little makeup bag, and also like my deodorant, my perfume, toothbrush, you know, all that stuff. And then I found these little containers for my shampoo and conditioner. They're very cute. And my retainer box. Oh wait, I need to put together my hair ties. Okay, so I'm finally ready for the trip. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So stay tuned because I know this video might have been a little boring. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Packing isn't the most exciting thing, but I will be posting about my trip in Florida. It's going to be fun. So yeah, just stay tuned for those videos. And I'll see you then.